Here we divide 332 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 3. So now it became 13 and 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and we put down the number beside this 2. So it became 12 and 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 0. So 332 divided by 2 is 166. So this much for today and thanks for watching.